Hello and welcome to another SoundStore XL product video. Today we are talking about this microphone arm, so not the exact microphone sitting right here, that's just a prop today. We are looking at the RØDE PSA-1 Plus. It's the new upgraded version of the very popular microphone arm PSA-1. And I must say I am really excited for this one. Obviously it's still a really good microphone when it comes to like rotating and up and down and all of that, but the small things are really the things to look out for on this one. For example, the mount that we have to the actual microphone right here, they made this in a matte finish now, which really looks great, and the adjustment panel inside is black, and it's really cool. Other than that, the cable management system on the new PSA-1 Plus is just really cool. They actually mounted these to the actual microphone arm all the way down. There's 4 pieces right here, and it just works really well for cable management. In the package you get 2 different options like the PSA-1 when it comes to mounting your arm to the table. There's the classic screwing mechanism device where you screw it to the table, and there is one new really cool feature. This one. It works like, so you drill a hole into your table, a maximum table thickness of 6.5 centimeters. And then you screw, you drill a hole into the table. You screw this from the bottom, and then you have a mounted holder for the microphone arm with cable management. This extra hole makes for having cables through, which is RØDE really thought about everything when it comes to this PSA-1 Plus microphone arm. I think this product is really cool, and you do get a little bit extra for your money. I can only recommend RØDE PSA-1 Plus arm.